what's up? Well, for me, it's gonna be a very exciting day because we are going camping. Now, camping is something that's very popular in the US, and it's not our first camping trip. We've been there before, but this is definitely the first time that I'm gonna be vlogging a camping trip. So, very excited, and we're gonna be there for 2 days, which means we are going to stay in a tent for 2 nights. The weather is very hot right now, and we just hope that it gets a little bit cooler when we reach there. It's 5 in the evening right now. We are still in Colombia and it's a 2-hour drive from here. We are going with our friends, of course, and it's going to be super fun. So yeah, let's go and let's see how it turns out. So we left, and just when we were about to reach our friend's place, this happened. So there's an update. We had left our place, but then in the midway we realized that we forgot to pack our speaker's remote. We have arranged for a movie night there and we are taking the speaker. So now we are taking a U-turn and we are heading back home to take the remote. And there he is coming with the remote. It's so funny, we are already running late, but it's okay, things happen, and now he is back with the remote. And we left again. We soon reached our friend's place, from where we all left together for the state park we were about to spend the next 2 days in. US has natural beauty in abundance. Wherever you are in this country, you're probably just a short distance from one of the thousands of state parks. And the one we were visiting is called Hickory Knob State Resort Park. And this is our campsite. We actually have booked 3 campsites, and this is the place we're going to be setting up our tents. So this is campsite number 1, number 2, and then there's number 3. And then just across the road we have a restroom, and then there's also a lake nearby. So yes, pretty much excited for setting up the tents right now. There is also a fireplace, a picnic table, and electric points at every campsite. It was about to get dark, so we quickly started setting up our tents. We were a group of 10 adults and 4 kids, and setting up the camp was a fun activity in itself. We also carry an air mattress for our tent to avoid sleeping directly on the ground, which is sometimes hard or cold and damp. Air mattress can really make the camping nights comfortable. Our tents have been set, and we are glad we reached here early because it's really dark now, so it would have been very difficult if we had to set up our tents right now in this light. And that's the campsite. We're going to make it as our kitchen. So we decided to use only 2 campsites out of 3. So while we had pitched our tents on one, the next one served as the common area for cooking, chilling, and watching movies. Our jungle biryani was soon ready, and it was definitely one of the yummiest we have had. And now it was time for Movie Under the Stars. This first evening in the forest was so much fun. It was 3 a.m. already. We were very tired, so returned to our tents to get some sleep. We had also set up floor fans outside, and this is how our cute little tent looked from the inside. Good morning, it's 7 in the morning. I got up at 6:30 and just got fresh. I'm outside the restroom right now, and look how calm and serene everything is looking right now. Half the people of our group are still sleeping and some of them are awake, getting fresh. So yeah, excited for the day, and waking up in the lap of nature is something very, very cool. There's something magical about setting up camp in a wooded forest and waking up to views like this. Having just nature around you clears your mind and makes you forget about the hustle and bustle of life for a while. Ashish and I went for a morning stroll along the lake nearby to soak in this beauty. Soon everybody was up, and it was time for some morning tea and breakfast. So we are done with the breakfast, and now it's game time. So we've prepared treasure hunt for all of them, and we have asked everybody to empty the space up and leave for the lakeside or wherever they want to go, because we want to hide the clues. So we're really excited for this game. I hope nobody cheats and I hope everybody enjoys the game. We hid the clues at the campsite to the best of our abilities and assembled everybody to explain the rules. Started the game, and in no time, everybody was seen running around, solving the riddles and looking for their chits. And this little cutie here is helping us track that nobody's cheating. And here we have the winning team. Now we're going for the prize ceremony. This game turned out to be better than we expected. This was followed by scavenger hunt, where we had good fun and fight. Outdoor games can surely take the camping experience up a notch. It was lunchtime and hence the time to cook. I think cooking and eating outdoors makes it taste infinitely better. We were all tired and dirty by now, so took a shower and rested for a while. Hey guys, so we just took shower, got ready. It was so hot and humid, and now it's about to rain and we are super scared because all our stuff is out in the open. So we'll probably hide in the car or maybe in our tents, which we hope is waterproof. And yes, super scared. We really hope it doesn't rain and everything goes fine. Well, it didn't rain immediately and we got some time to roam around, enjoy the beautiful weather by the lakeside and click some pictures. And as expected, it has started to rain and we're running back to our cars and tents. Experiencing rain in the forest was a different fun altogether. We stacked our kitchen stuff under the canopy and chilled in our cars for a while, enjoying some snacks and music. Also played some Bollywood games and finally went for a drive around the state park, which by the way was stunning. It soon stopped raining, we came back to our campsite and this weather called for a barbecue. And look how cute are these kids looking with that glow stick jewelry. You like it? Yeah! We also made some s'mores, the traditional campfire treat very popular in the US. And we're all set for another movie night in the jungle. It was such an amazing day and night. We were very tired, so returned to our tents and called it a day. It was our last day here. We got up a little late, had yummy breakfast, and took a stroll in the woods. Hey guys, it's our day 2 in camping. We just had breakfast and everybody's having so much fun out here. It's a beautiful morning. The weather is really good today. It's time to wrap up now and nobody is in a mood to leave, so we are playing one last musical chairs game. I was out in just 3 rounds, so I thought to film them all and show it to you. It was time to wrap up now. So we collapsed our tents, packed everything and got ready to leave. So we are all done wrapping up and it's by the way 15th of August today. It's Indian Independence Day and everybody had planned to get a white t-shirt and something orange or green if possible. So I'm wearing a white cami top and orange scarf and we are planning to get a picture clicked together, a group picture. So people are getting ready for the photo shoot, wearing white. And it's all cleaned up now. We have set up a tripod for clicking the picture and we're waiting for everybody to get ready and be here. This was the 75th anniversary of India's independence and we all loved cheering for our nation. Jai Mataram! Jai Mataram! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Because no matter how far we are from our country, we are Indians, firstly and lastly. And with all these beautiful memories in our hearts and minds, we ended this amazing 2-day camping trip and headed back home. I hope you enjoyed watching our experience. Please like, share, subscribe if you did. and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!